Hey, 1065 here. Today we have another unboxing. This literally just came in not too long ago. And this is, of course, another eBay robot I bought. And it's a bootleg. It's a bootleg type Robo Sapien, you could say. No, it's not Robo Actor. But I can say is, as of right now, this is 2 of 4 RS type robots. The first one being. What's his face? First one, of course, being the unreleased Robo Sapien. The second one being this, which you can easily see in my whatchamacallit, in my teaser photo that I shared on YouTube. So let me go ahead and open this up, and then I'll pull out its contents. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Aha, there he is. Before that, let me see the remote. Gosh, that remote looks so bad. So, this is a solid, well, it's a red remote. Yeah, it's a red-black remote. So you're all probably thinking, it's like, oh my gosh, you got Spider Sapien. No, actually, no. Oh god, he's messed up. This here is, of course, Spider Actor. One of the rare, very rare versions of Robo Actor. I got him off eBay for about $20. Oh, no, freaking fall. Plus shipping. And from what the seller says, he does not work. Nor does the remote work. So I was like, okay, maybe I can fix him. Well, hopefully I can fix him. So we're gonna see what all he does. His button's already pushed in. Doesn't look like he was tampered with, of course. He does have some damage there. Of course, his head has some serious damage. His helmet too. Oh, he's missing the side caps, from what I can tell. Oh, hey, Spider Actor. IR is like kind of out of the way too, so I might actually take this opportunity and open up the head as well and fix that. But with the remote, I'm very curious. Oh, sorry if I'm in low lighting, guys. Here, we grab a screwdriver. Alright, and we're back. I had to put my phone in my girlfriend's phone holder thing. It's a unicorn clip. So here's the remote. Pretty interesting. Of course, it's faded from certain buttons. But I like it. Looks interesting. Hopefully y'all can still see this. So let's see what's going on with the remote. Ah, there's the issue with the remote. Corrosion. I'm not surprised. I figured that would have been the issue. Really glad it wasn't anything worse. See, can I get it to work or do anything? Nope, absolutely nothing. Okay, so remote definitely needs internal cleaning, that's for sure. Other than that, the remote is in pretty decent shape, which is very nice. Alright, so the remote should be guaranteed to work after it's all cleaned up, so that's good. Next up, the robot himself. Of course, from the looks of it, this like... Oh, God! I didn't even notice it was that bad. Oh. If you look through here, his torso is like freaking broken. See? Can I even... Oh, God, what happened? Looks like something probably came undone. Alright, so let me put some batteries in him. And then see. Let's see, he's currently on. Now he's off. Oh, this poor thing. Oops. Okay, back compartment appears to be good. Well, one leg at most. Sorry if you're not really seeing much other than the V2 that I'm currently working on. Oh, crap. It's actually arrived in a pretty good amount of time, which I'm really happy about. Alright, and of course one of the other things I want to do at some point is see if my mom can send me my other V1s. Well, at least one of each I have there, because I have Robactor Super over there. 2 Wisdoms. I actually technically have 3 Wisdoms. And the third one is currently with a friend. And I got paid the shipping to get out and sent here. Ooh, this one has some corrosion on this contact. Maybe that might work. Found the other leg. Nope, that's fine. And if I didn't mention, I think his leg, he has a snap leg too. Either he has a wire off, or Alright, well, we'll leave the batteries in place for now. I'm gonna go ahead and open up his body, and we'll see what the heck is going on. Alright, before that, let's see what all is going on. Okay, everything seems fine there. But this one's cracked, so we'll need some adjustment. Actually, wait. Oh, his leg isn't snapped, or is it snapped? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I started horribly corrected. Alright. You still have your back dome, right? Yes, he does. Cool. All I know is that, of course, these bootleg Robo Sapiens are built absolutely terrible, and the one thing I can definitely say is most of them aren't really made to be compatible with the original V1, like the legit one. The reason I know this is because I've tried fixing up a few before, especially Rabone, using Robo Sapien parts, and not even with Fingyon or Giaki. These things are not compatible. Only with their, I don't know what that was. Only with their cells they're compatible. Here we go. Maybe a better angle. Yeah, I apologize. I can't really see because I have the camera flipped outwards instead of inwards. Oh, hit broken screw header. I'm not surprised. All right. In course. Oh, that's the issue. Of course, switch is fine. What's the issue? No, I don't think that would be the issue. Nothing's overheating, so that's good. He has relays, so that's interesting. And the issue is, that's not pretty at all. It's like a big piece of plastic broke. Let's see if we can crotch off. I just want to adjust that so it doesn't look as weird. I will be doing a repair video on him very soon. I just gotta get other things done first. Of course, repairs. That I might end up just fix him up in between the repairs. Please, some other broken bits still in here. Gotta be careful, don't let him just like fall apart. Oh, nope, I spoke too soon. Oh, wait. Your bit's still in there? Please don't, it's still in there. Nope. Piece of it's missing. Youch. So that's all there. Sorry if y'all can't see that. I'm not seeing the other broken bit, but I will go ahead and take this one piece off so that doesn't get lost. Holy crap. It's like something stopping it from going down. No, he does have like some type of holder. Ah, that hurt. Alright. Well, got him back downwards at least. Hey, wait a second. Yes. The other little bit that broken off is there, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up with the cabling. Everything genuinely seems... oh god. It gets genuinely worse. The whole back portion of its helmet is like freaking gone. Damn. If I can crack his head open, that would be nice, so I can readjust on what do you call it? The IR sensor. Oh lordy, that's so bad. Everything else appears to still be there, so that's really good. Although he is missing a screw for some odd reason on the board. But, yeah. I'm trying to pull out some wires. Any wires come off. That seems fine. Should be... I think it should be for power. At least I assume that. You know, I'm not gonna do too much with him. Well, let me put his crotch bits back on. Okay, I see now it doesn't really hold anything. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. What's this supposed to have, like a round fitting on the outside? No, it doesn't look like it, so weird. Of course, the back one does have like a fitting. Well, actually not. Does it? Okay, it doesn't. Never mind then. That explains it. So what happened to him? He was, what you call it? I'm not sure to describe it. I think someone dropped him. I really don't know. From the looks of all the mechanics he has, well, the gearboxes, he should fully work. Because I'm not hearing any split gears or anything, but knowing me, I'm going to replace them. So here he is, looking back like normal now. Still good recording. Good. This is back. See, there's by chance anything wrong with anything else on here. No. Oh yeah, broken screw holder. I'm gonna check that out. Of course, I wasn't expecting him to be perfect or anything, because I mean, you know, I only paid $20 for the dude. So, I'm not complaining. Do I expect him to work any better like the others? I'd be surprised he ends up working better than some of the other bootleg Sapiens I have, because a lot of the ones I have, they pretty much work like crap. But then again, that's expected to know that they will work like crap, because, you know, they're bootlegs. Let's see what you put on now. No, maybe a bootleg, probably not. Nothing. Needs to be over here. Okay. Alright, so let's put you back together. Come on, get arms back in there. Sometimes bits don't want to fit like they did. Okay, that goes in there like that. And of course, he doesn't really have much of the whole cable holder that most of the real ones have. Even some of the bootlegs actually have. Oh, that makes sense. They've switched it. So it's the front that has all the bits for holding the cable, the arm cables in place. For some reason, this one, it's not normal. I don't know how that surprises me a lot. Okay, so I guess it's the back that's supposed to go on first on these, so let me take note of that. Oh, come on, don't start again. All the bits there. That's really interesting. I really like how the spider actor looks, especially with the whole silver detailing he has, other than the solid gray, I think, detailing he has. Some around there. I do have the real Spider Sapien at my parents' house, and I have the rare variant of it here, the second suit, or the Amazing Spider-Man Sapien, as it's what it would be called. Sorry about that, burp. very interesting. You know, I find it so weird that the caps are missing. There we go. Yeah, it sounds like really messed up in there. Spider's like trying to force itself back into the one position it was earlier ago. It's like, no, don't do that, Spider's not Spider Sapien, Spider Actor, that's bad. I have to close this one up. But yeah. What will happen now? Now their mistake. I really get something in here wrong. Let's do it. Anyways, I think that's as far I can get with him for now, so stay tuned for hopefully a repair video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.